Welcome to Math with Mr. T. All right, it is proportion time. There's a couple different ways to look at proportions, and we're going to jump into them right now. The first thing you have to understand is that we're looking at a relationship. 4 is to 9, just like 12 is to this unknown number. And the relationship between 4 and 12 is the same as 9 to this unknown number. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, if you can see any patterns or relationships between these numbers, you can use that to solve for the unknown number. For example, 4 times 3 gets us 12. So I know that if 4 times 3 gets us 12, 9 times 3 is going to get us this bottom number here, which is 27. So there's this relationship that 4 3 times bigger gets us 12, and 9 3 times bigger gets us 27. Let's try a different method on the proportion on the bottom here. This one, we're going to do the classic cross multiply. What you can do is you can multiply the two numbers that you have and then divide by the other number. It feels a little bit like a magic trick, but essentially what it's saying is 10 times 12 is equal to this unknown number y times 15. So I'm going to do 10 times 12, which gets me 120. And then I'm going to divide 120 by the number 15. 15 goes into 120. Let's see. I believe it goes in 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 1 plus 4 is 12. Subtract the 120. And our unknown number over here, y equals 8. On this next proportion problem, I see a relationship right out of the gate. Do you see here that we have 3 becomes 4? So what's your guess that 30 becomes? Yeah, it's 40. We can also see that it's 3 times 10 gets us 30. And so if it's a proportion problem, 4 times 10 must also get us 40. So A equals 40. And last but not least, if I look down below here, I see that 7 times 3 will get us 21. So something times 3 will get us 18. That something is the number 6. So 6/7 equals 18/21. And that is how you do proportion problems. Thanks for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe.